I have never had an Egg McMuffin. Even though I absolutely love McDonald's, never had a McDonald's breakfast. People get obsessed by these McDonald's breakfasts, but I've never got it. What is an Egg McMuffin? And today I'm going to be making McDonald's breakfast for the very first time here in the kitchen. And I'm going to be putting my twist on it by adding a spicy gochujang butter. I was planning on getting McDonald's breakfast this morning, however, I got up after 10:30. It is a weekend and McDonald's had gone on to their full menu. So, nonetheless, I'm going to go in blind to this recipe and make a sausage and egg McMuffin and see if it lives up to the real thing. Let's get started. So I'm going to turn this guy on, knock him up, pan on, heavy base, medium heat, and I've got some streaky bacon here just because I like it when the fat runs all the way through the meat. Nobody wants a dry piece of, I actually prefer streaky bacon. Then I'm going to be taking a potato masher. Now what do I need a potato masher to cook a sausage patty? I feel very angry with this potato masher. So, I've got a ball of sausage meat, whack it in the pan, piece of grease proof, and then smush it down with your potato masher. That is the key to getting a really thin patty. You do this with burgers as well. And we're just going to cook that until it's caramelised on one side and then flip it over. While that's cooking over there, I'm going to take a grater and a potato and I'm going to make a little Rosti to go inside the muffin as well. Then you can see it's a bit moist. You want to take out all the moisture from the potato. I'm going to be straining it through a cheeky sieve. So just like start squishing it. You get some like water dripping out. Then you can whack it in a bowl. Add a crack of pepper. A pinch of salt. Smell, it's just, I wish they had like bacon perfume. Once your sausage patty is nice and brown, you can take it out as well as your bacon. I'm going to do what Matt does. Try and get it in. No, absolute fail. Sorry Matt. Now that's bubbling, we're going to smush in our potatoes. We're going to allow that to brown up on one side and then flip it over and cook on the other side. That's going to take about 10 minutes. Alright, we're going to do some flipping. Yeah, boy. That is what we're talking about. Beautiful and golden and crispy. Muffins going in, we're going to butter the tops and then whack them in. They're going to crisp up. Buttery, toasty goodness. Spring mold in, we're gonna cook our egg. Now they're always round, aren't they? In McDonald's, so let's put one of these. We're gonna try and crack the egg right in there. If you're not feeling confident, go into a bowl. No judging. I'm going to take the egg out of the pan after it's fully cooked and then leave it to rest, and then it will slip out of the little ring mould easier once it's cooled a little bit. I've got my favourite ingredient ever, gochujang, and my second favourite ingredient, butter. And I'm going to mix the two together. Butter in. I just ping that in the microwave for like 30 seconds so it just melts. And then whack in tablespoon of gochujang. Mix it a little bit, but it'll all come together and you'll get a beautiful, buttery and spicy umami sauce. Right, now your egg has cooled a bit. First of all, you can touch it, so you're not going to burn yourself, which is nice, because nobody wants that. Then you can get your little step spatula or whatever, a knife, anything of that description. Give it a little, and then finally ingredient which is missing is, what is it made of? A bit of American squeaky cheese. If you know what American squeaky cheese is, or what it's made out of, then let me know in the comments, and what makes it shine. Maybe I should do a video on American squeaky cheese and how it's made. How strange. I'm going to load up these English muffins with the gochujang sauce. Then I believe it's the squeaky cheese, but to be honest, they don't put the hash browns in there, so I'm gonna put the hash brown on there. Get that going, because then the cheese can go over the potato, because cheese and potatoes are always friends. I'm gonna whack on the sausage patty, bit of bacon, egg, pop that on top. It's already started to drizzle. If you tell me that doesn't look good, then I just disagree with you. If you think this looks better than a McDonald's Egg McMuffin, then drop that in the comments below. I mean, McDonald's, I love you, but I think this looks pretty damn good. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then yeah, give me a follow.